Welcome back, dear students. So today we start with the new chapter, chemical bonding. So just to recollect what we have studied in lower standards, the chapter was introduced, already introduced in 9th standard, and then we have studied the definition of chemical bond and then different types of केमिकल बॉन्ड्स विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. तो ये सब आपने लोअर स्टैंडर्ड्स में पढ़ा है. नाउ हियर एट द इंटर लेवल ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू स्टडी इन डिटेल द डिटेल्ड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो जस्ट टू remind you the definition of chemical bond first. Okay, so chemical bond means the force of attraction which will hold the atoms together in a molecule is called a chemical bond. बराबर ना? तो ये डेफिनेशन आपने पहले ही पढ़ लिया है. Again, recollecting the same subtopics in this chapter studied in lower standard, the types of chemical bonds. So that first one is ionic bond. So let us define ionic bond first. So what is the definition for ionic bond? The bond which is formed by complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atom is called ionic bond. Okay, example, your favorite example, I know, sodium chloride, नमक है ना, common salt. So sodium atom and chlorine atom, electronic configuration for sodium 281, chlorine 287. Okay, sodium will of course can transfer one electron to chlorine and Na plus and Cl minus, that is sodium chloride molecule is formed. Okay, and the bond between these two ions is called ionic bond. Then the second one is covalent bond. So what is the definition of covalent bond? The bond which is formed by sharing of electrons between the atoms in a molecule is called covalent bond. That is the definition. So in that we have the first example of homogeneous molecule. Okay, homogeneous molecule H2. Homogeneous means in the molecule both the atoms will be same. दोनों एटम सेम रहेंगे. दो हाइड्रोजन है ना यहाँ पे, one hydrogen and second hydrogen here. So electronic configuration of hydrogen you know, 1s1, that means one electron in the first orbit, and second hydrogen also one electron in the first orbit. So they will share their one electrons. After sharing, both the hydrogen atoms are completing their duplet. They are completing their duplet. So sharing of electron, that's why the bond formed is covalent bond, and which can be shown like this. Okay, single covalent bond, because one pair of electron is shared. One pair of electron is shared means one covalent bond. Heterogeneous molecule, example for the covalent bond formation. Here we have HCl. So hydrogen 1 electron and chlorine outermost shell 7 electrons, that you know. Okay, so they will share these 2 electrons. Hydrogen will complete its octet and chlorine will complete it. Okay, so here hydrogen, the first atom, having 1 electron, okay, and chlorine atom having 7 electrons. So after sharing one pair of electrons between each other, hydrogen will complete its duplet and chlorine will complete its octet. Okay, and here also the bond formation we can show like this, H and Cl, single covalent bond, because one pair of electron is shared. Now what is the meaning of kernel or core of an atom? In the ionic bond formation, okay, one atom is transferring after transferring the electrons, it is acquiring the electronic configuration of an inert gas. Here sodium, once again 281, 11 electrons, 1 electron it can donate and it can form sodium ion, and now the configuration is 2,8, which is the configuration of neon inert gas, neon. So these electrons, okay, the stable electronic configuration containing now 10 electrons, that is called core of electrons for the sodium ion. Bond parameters now. Bond parameters. In that first one, bond length. Bond length means the length of the bond between the atoms present in the molecule. That is called bond length. If the bond length is larger or greater, then the bond is very weak bond, and if the bond length is shorter, then it is a strong bond. Then bond angle. So bond angle is the angle between the two adjacent covalent bonds in a molecule. Look at this example. Water, HOH, H2O. So this angle here between the two covalent bonds, है ना, दो कोवलेंट जो एडजेसेंट कोवलेंट बॉन्ड्स है उनके बीच में जो एंगल है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? बॉन्ड एंगल. ओके, and then we have bond energy. Now what is bond energy? The energy required to break a single covalent bond in a molecule is called bond energy or bond enthalpy. Okay, the bond energy मतलब क्या? The energy required to break covalent bond between the atoms in a molecule is called bond energy. And then lastly, the octet rule. Already again you have studied in the lower standard. So what is the octet rule? During the covalent bond formation, atoms present in the molecule can gain electron or donate electron or share electrons, है ना, to acquire the stable electronic configuration like the inert gases. Okay, so that rule is called as octet rule.